Okay.
So live from Weatherford, Texas.
This isn't live.
Oh, start over.
Okay.
Weatherford, Texas. They made it in from Colorado. We call it Colorado.
Yeah.
But decided to fight a mechanical bull. The mechanical bull won, so now we're going to put him back together.
Sounds like something to do in Texas.
Absolutely. Right through there.
Yeah.
That feel good or bad?
Good.
Good. We're gonna get deep down here on C7 T1 junction. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
No pain?
No.
Drop your right shoulder. Perfect. Relax your left shoulder. Go face down for me. Right there, huh?
Yeah.
So, got a vertebra that's really kicked over to the side right there. So we're gonna drop it down to the right, just a little rotation. Drop your shoulders for me. All through there too, huh? Breathe in. Breathe out.